Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make profits trading on crypto arbitrage on a daily basis. Now, people might ask, what is crypto arbitrage? Crypto arbitrage simply means buying a particular crypto token cheaper on exchange A and selling that same crypto token on exchange B for a much more higher price. Now, the profit you make is from selling higher after buying cheaper. Good. And I'll be showing you how to do this on this exchange called ArbDex. It's an arbitrage exchange platform that helps us source for these opportunities from the various crypto exchanges out there and bring the ones that have good arbitrage opportunity for us to take advantage of. Before we proceed, I will say, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscription button now and stay subscribed, because I'll be bringing you series of ways of making money, guaranteed income on the crypto space with this Web3 era we are in now. Good. And to do this, like I said, I'll be doing it on this exchange called the ArbDex. Yes, it's a decentralized exchange for arbitrage trading, like I said. Good. And how to do this thing is very, very simple. Let us move right into it. Now, you can do this on either your Trust wallet, the browser part, or your MetaMask, or whichever wallet holder you use. You can do it right inside there from the browser part. And also you can do it from your browsers like the Chrome, Firefox, Safari, depending on the one you use, but make sure it's a full browser, not the static browsers. Good. And I'll be using Chrome for the purpose of this video so that everybody will see how this is done. Good. And let's proceed without wasting time. All I will do is to launch my Chrome browser. And then I'll navigate to the exchange platform, the ArbDex exchange platform. Good. And I'll type in the URL here. It's arbdex.io. Yes. You can see it also displayed on the screen, and don't worry, I will place the URL on the description of this video so you will always see it there when you want to trade. Good. And once you enter it like this, you just hit on enter to navigate to the DEX. Good. This is the ArbDex. Now you can see there are so many cryptos being displayed, and you can see where you see the opportunity cards, or you can make the profits you can make, and active opportunities, net profit, total profit, all of them, you can see them here. Now, what interests me most is the arbitrage cards. Now you can see these are different crypto token pairs. You can see BNB Ethereum at 4.9% profit. So if you take that one, now you are sure to make that profit 4 point something when you do it. Now it has, okay, it keeps changing because this is their dynamic, and it's live prices fluctuating up and down, so it keeps changing. Good. Now this platform has brought the buy exchange and the sell exchange for you. It has brought them together here. You know, this is a decentralized platform, so everything comes together. All you need to do is you look for the arbitrage opportunity you want to take advantage of, and also have a mind of the knowledge of the crypto asset you have in your wallet, the one you want to use, and select the pair you desire. There are so many of them, you can just keep scrolling through, you keep seeing them. They are all over the place. Good. Now I am going to be taking these trades now and show you how it's been done. Now the first thing you do first to get started, once you enter here, please first of all you connect your wallet. And how you do that is you click on connect wallet button here. Good. And you select your wallet provider. I use Trust Wallet, so I will click on Trust Wallet. You can use MetaMask if that's what you use, or whichever one, you can see them here. But for me, I use Trust Wallet, so I go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. And then I will input my wallet passphrase here to connect my wallet to this DEX. Good. And once I've inputted my passphrase there, which I have it copied already on my clipboard and I've inputted it, all I need to do is click on connect wallet to connect my wallet to the exchange platform for the trades. Good. I have connected. You can see my wallet is now here. Let me open it to show you what I have in my wallet. Okay, you can see I have BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, ADA, and USDT. Good. Those are the tokens I have in my wallet now before this trade. So please take note of my USDT balance, because whatever profit I'll be making will be credited right to my USDT balance. You know, my wallet is locked in here, so I'm dealing directly with the blockchain. So everything I do will be done right inside my wallet. The profits will be credited right inside my wallet, and it will be credited on my USDT balance. So now I have 21,571 USDT on my wallet. Now when I take any trade now, the profit, whatever profit I will make, will be added right inside my USDT balance. So take note, 21,571. I will proceed. Good. Now the main part, you now take your time and look through all the opportunities as they come out. For me, I like to take opportunities from 4%, 5%. So whenever I make any trade, I'll get something substantial. And also it depends on the capital you use for your trade. Good. If you use bigger capital, you will make bigger profits. If you use smaller capital, you'll make smaller profit. But one thing that is sure is when you are able to take a successful trade, you are guaranteed of a profit, because this platform will take the trade, we buy the token from the buy exchange and sell it same time at the sell exchange, and then credit you the profits right inside your wallet. That's what it does. Good. So you take your time and select one you want to use. For me, I like using EVM tokens, any BNB, Ethereum, thereabout, and I like to use them. I like to wait for them to get to 3, 4, or 5% profit, so I can make it profit. Good. There it's BNB. I take this one. Good. This is BNB Ethereum. So I'll be buying Ethereum with BNB. Now on this page, all you need to do, you come here, you see the buy price from the buy exchange, which is Radium, and you see the sell price, and you sell on Uniswap V3. That's what you do. And here you put the amount of BNB you want to use for this trade. For me, I have 27 BNB on my wallet, like you saw when I put my balances. So let me use the whole of them. Good. And you see, if I succeed in taking this trade, I'll be making $822 just from this trade. Good. And then once you put it like this, all you need to do is to click on execute arbitrage trade to execute. Now this 27 BNB I am using for this trade is worth 16,450 USDT, point some fraction of cents. Good. So with this 16,450 USDT, I'll be making a profit of 822. That's how this thing works. So now all I need to do is just to click on execute trade, and you wait for it to execute. Oh, failed. Oh, okay, it has timed out. Yeah, you know, I was taking my time explaining to you, so this thing timed out. When you want to do this, you make sure you do it fast as you can, because you need to click on execute, enter the amount, and click on execute trade, and make sure you do it before the trade times out, so that what happened to me now will not happen to you. But even if it happens to you, it's not the end of the world. All you need to do is just to close this place, and then you go back to the page, and then we select the thing again. And this is how it's done. Whichever one you want to select, once you see that pair, all you need to just click on execute. You can see execute, but just click on it to proceed. Good. Now I take BNB again. Good. I got it at 5%, 5.7%. You can see this buy price, you can see the sell price, and it's buying from Jupiter and selling on 1 inch. And I'm buying Ethereum with BNB, and this one is a higher percentage, which is good for me. So I'll just put in 27, because I want to use the whole of my BNB. At least I need to be fast. You have to be very, very fast in doing it so it doesn't time out again. You can see now I'm going to be making $822 from this trade, because that's what I started before. And this 27 USDT BNB is worth 16,450 USDT. So that's what I'll be using for this trade, and I'll be making $822 from it. So I'll go ahead and click on execute. I have to be fast before it times out, and then I wait. Okay, it's going. Beautiful, beautiful. You can see I have successfully made $822 from taking just this one trade successfully. And this is how this thing is done. Now this money is inside my wallet now. It has been credited on my dashboard and inside my wallet also. Let me show you. So just go ahead and click on close. Now you can see on the profits dashboard, you see the profit I made, 822 USDT I just made now. And I want to show you this inside my wallet also. Look at my wallet, the USDT. Now you can see my USDT has gone to 22,393 USDT 0.501 cents. Good. So this 822 I made now has been added to my USDT balance. You see it has gone up. It was 21,500 something before, if you remember, Now it's 22,393. So I've successfully made $822 from this trade. Now this is how this thing is done. Now if you are able to do this, let's say 3, 4, 5 times in a day, that is good money for you. Now imagine I did this, let's say 4 times. That would be, I would have been making $822 or whatever profit I made then, times the number of times I took the trade. That's to show you that this is a sustainable way of making livelihood of trading on arbitrage. And with ArbDex, you are sure to profit because it has removed the stress of sourcing all these things personally from all these thousands of exchanges out there. It has removed it for you and brought it down here, selected the ones that have arbitrage opportunities and pasted them here for you to see, just for you to click on execute and take advantage of anyone you want to do, just like I've done now and made this money. Good. This is how this thing is done, and it's that simple. So if you are someone that really wants to proceed, you want to profit from this crypto world, please follow this my video step by step the same way I did it. You will be able to do yours and you will also make profits like I've made now. Good. And that brings us to the end of the video. I will say if you find it interesting or helpful, please share it to your other friends, other crypto enthusiasts. Let them know about this DEX and how to do this arbitrage trade. And you can forward this video to them, let them come share this video so that they can watch it and see how to take this trade and come take them on this place and make profit too, just like you're making. And that will be that for today. I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Let me go back and continue taking more trades. Thank you and bye-bye.